Hello everyone. So I thought this morning I'd show you an aircraft that I find rather interesting. So this is a QANTAS link Airbus A319. They're gonna come and fly over, and tell you what, this is the exact same one that I filmed on the 29th of June last year. That same one that flies off to Learmonth up north. It's about to go past. Hey Vietjet. I lost sight of him. Can't see a damn thing. It's too bright. There it is. Just above the tree. And there you go. From just a little more than a year on, I filmed the same Airbus A319, the exact same flight, the exact same aircraft, that flies off to Learmonth every morning. So, there you go.